think Leon expressed himself really well. It's a difficult place to come, and a big respect to Mexico and the football in Mexico. Is one of the powerhouses in the CONCACAF, so we knew it was going to be a difficult match. But I think we did some good things, but we are starting a journey together. I know we need to improve a lot of things still, but the good thing about this match for us is that it shows, even though we go away and play in a difficult stadium like Azteca, we can still get something from the game, but obviously we are disappointed not to win.
Hello, Coach. Roberto Torres, Circus del Museo. You have been always an underdog as a coach. You made it to Leisman, and now you have an opportunity to start to build something really special here. How are your hopes for the road to the World Cup to 2026?
No, that was one of the reasons I wanted to coach Jamaica, was because I think there's a lot of talent in Jamaica, a lot of talented footballers, and now we have to create a team that can work together as one. And we are, like I said, this is my first official match, but we are just starting a long journey, so we are trying to improve a lot of things, trying to change a lot of things. This will take time. I have to be patient, and Jamaica has to be patient, but given the quality of the players, I think we can be a very, very good, not only reach the World Cup, I think we can do good things in the World Cup in 2026. But there's a lot of tournaments until then. We are starting a journey. Now we have to try to find players, to select players who we want to have on the bus on this long journey to 2026, and this is like the beginning for us, the coaches.
Here, Hemier Torres from Podium Deportes. What did the team need to win this match?
What did we need? Yeah, I think we were unlucky. We had really good openings. We used the space behind Mexico, so we had a lot of good counterattacks. We had really good set pieces, which we should have scored from. So I would say we are disappointed that we did not score more than 2 goals. Of course, Mexico had their chances as well. But I think we had more open chances, clear-cut chances, which is down to details, maybe more working together to finish these attacks. This Mexico team, starting 11, was more or less the same that played the whole World Cup, so they are much more synchronized in what they are doing because they know each other pretty well. So, but obviously we are just disappointed now we did not win, because we wanted to go to the semi-final in the Nations League.
Hi, Coach. What do you think about the national Mexican team?
They're always. It's always a tough team. It's always a difficult team to play against. Individual quality and acceleration, speed, quick actions. So they're difficult to play against. I watched them. I watched you in the World Cup, and you deserve to go through from the group phase because you played really good matches. But it's always difficult to play them in here, especially in this altitude with this atmosphere, these fantastic fans. It's difficult to play, so I like it. But a new coach, he will probably change something, so it will be interesting to follow how he will develop this group of players.
¿Alguna pregunta más?
Uno más.
Hi, Coach. What's your opinion about the first goal of the Jamaica team?
Of the Jamaica team? It's nice to have on a YouTube when you're showing your goals. This is something that happens once in a while, but funny enough, it was from a set place, from a goal kick, which we drilled, and it's just like the icing on the cake to have a finish like this. But yeah, it was a wonderful finish, world class.
¿Alguna pregunta más? No.
Thanks.